Hey everyone, it's Andy. Today I just got in the mail my Bellroy Chimera, and I thought I would do a video with my unboxing and first impressions. So this is secondhand, came from somebody who resold it, so it's not the original poly bag here. And I just started the cut there, hoping to get this open pretty easily. Yeah, I believe the box itself hasn't been opened, but it was shipped in a reused poly bag, and it got to me just fine. All right, there we go. Carryology X Bellroy. And let's open up this box. Got a nice piece of, I don't know, wax paper or whatever. And then we have the bag. All right, so here we go. Looks pretty nice here. I'm going to keep it sideways primarily just because this is the setup I have. Sorry, I wasn't able to get my desk super clean right now. Let's take a look at the front. Up here we have this, ripstop proprietary material that Bellroy uses. This reminds me a lot of what I have on my Bellroy the travel work pack. I have it in the blue material. It feels just like this. And over here we have their leather with you can see on the camera, the ripstop bonded to the leather there. So that's another fun thing they've done for the Chimera bags. And then over here we have the patch. Now the cool thing is the patch is actually on a little attachment that can come off here, leaving just these two loops. And for these loops you can put whatever you want. And then from there, I believe, the patch comes off. That looks really cool, that little Chimera. And I can put whatever, I can stick this back on and put whatever other patch I want on this bag. If I just pull over, like, this Carryology patch, that just attaches on and it looks pretty good, or I can have no patch at all. Flipping it over, we've got this interesting magnetic buckle. It looks like you just do a little twist and then it comes off. This is for the sternum strap. I think that's a pretty interesting design. Yeah, it doesn't come off really any other way. You just have to twist down. I don't know if this is, doesn't say on it who makes the hardware, if it's a Fidlock or something else, but it's definitely a very interesting piece. And then these just go up and down. Shoulder straps feel pretty good. And this back panel looks really cool. I don't know how well the camera picks up really the depth of this, but it's a very nice looking pattern. Looks like it has an air channel here. This should be very comfortable on the back. Have here grab handle, little leather-ish on the bottom, nice soft like seatbelt nylon on the top. This is very easy to get the hand in. And then also on the back or the sides, we have the water bottle pockets. These are very similar to the transit pack. Here we have the little keychain clip in this one. I'm just going to grab over here. This is just like a 17 ounce, 500 milliliter bottle. And that fits in really easily. So I've seen some people are able to put some pretty large bottles into this pocket. And then we got another one over here on the other side. This nice orange liner, definitely going to keep the moisture from the bottle of any leaks in here and not into the main compartment. All right, over here at the top, we've got the normal made from recycled materials and the other Bellroy literature. Nice stuff, 22-liter bag. Let's take a look now at the top here. We have this quick access pocket. Gotta love the quick access pocket. It's actually pretty deep. It looks like it goes all the way down to here. I can fit my whole hand in. What do I have on hand to put in here? Here's just a Ultra Pro deck box. I've been playing a lot of my card game lately. I normally wouldn't put that in a quick access pocket, but it fits with plenty of room. All right, into the main compartment area, we have these 3 or 4 seatbelt style nylon loops for the hook, and then the Bellroy Carryology logo there. Over here we've got like a piece of paper and some tape over the hook. I have an Apex and I got it secondhand, so I never saw this level of packaging. I don't know if I can get that off too easily. Hopefully it doesn't. I don't need to take scissors just to open it because I feel like I want to keep that metal clean. Well, with this on, it doesn't really fit through. Oh, it sort of does. Okay, yeah, so it latches through here. Plenty of room even with that on. Though I'm sure without it on, it'll be a bit better. Under the flap, we have this sewn-in patch. Looks very nice. All that information, you can pause it if you want to read it. And then we got the 2 side zippers. Over here, these have a pretty interesting little orange and black, definitely Carryology collab on the pulls. And that opens up to reveal the main compartment. Inside here we have 2 pockets. These are like a stretch pocket. On the Apex, this is about all you have for water bottles. Here you can either use something interior like this or put it through that exterior pocket. They do sort of eat up similar space. So if you have a water bottle in there, it'll probably push into this and make it difficult to use that. But that's not too bad. Over here we have a stretch pocket, stretch mesh with a little bit here for a pen. Let's see if this fits. This is a TWSBI Go. And it's a tight fit, but I can get that pen in there. Some bags, I feel, they make their pen slots so tricky. If I stick in this Sharpie, that just fits in normal. That's great. That's what I want to see. Sharpies have to go in. That's the bare minimum. Over here we have a lot of padding. This padding is very squishy. This is more of a padded, but it's like a solid material. I got my MacBook. This is one of the 14-inch MacBook Pros, and that fits in pretty well. It's just below the fold, exactly, and that's one of the M1 models, so a bit bigger than my old computer. And then finally, for the inside flap, we got the 2 pockets here. One of them right here. Oh, we got that laser etched Chimera logo there. This is a bit of a stretchy mesh. And on the other one, this goes across here, and they both stop right around here. I like that this has, this volume here, taking that same Ultra Pro deck box. That fits in there. It zips up. You can see it. And then for the bottom one, it fits as well. So I'm probably not going to load, a deck box into these mesh pockets, but I can certainly fit some stuff in here. And then the main compartment, it's a 22-liter bag, so not too much room, but not a very small amount of room. I don't have too much on hand that I can just shove in there right now to demonstrate. But overall, I'm really excited about this bag. I think it looks very nice. All right, here I have the bag on. I'm about 5'9", 140 pounds, and it fits me pretty well. Now, I know some people were saying that the shoulder straps don't have much room to adjust, but for me, it's not a problem. Bellroy Carryology Chimera. Thank you all very much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you like content like this, please smash the like button on YouTube, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Thank you all very much, and have a nice day.